Oh, got a little dirty. Whatever. It'll work. Alright, so while that's still trickling down, still just very, very little coming out, I'm going to go ahead and start taking off this cross member here. And remember, 6 14mm bolts. So, you know what? I'll grab safety glasses. I don't want to get all this crap in my eyes. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Safety glasses on. We're going to get this done. Ready? Alright, so now I'm going to do the back side. Remember, it's back here. It just got dripped on. It's back here straddling the steering rack. There we go. Alright, this is just going to rain down on me. There's no good way about this one. You know what? Better to keep your mouth closed. Dummy. Another good idea, leave a bolt in on either side so it doesn't just drop down on you. Alright. Alright. It's free. Oh, and it's caked. Nasty. Yummy. Alright, so I now have dropped the manifold at the midpoint. I had to take it off at the actual cylinder head so that I could drop it down. Still got the safety glasses on because it is just raining crap down. Ooh, another. Ooh. Those are all spots ready to just push right through. Woo! Alright, cool. Now, I'm going to take out, I don't know, it's probably like 20 damn bolts holding this oil pan on, so I'm going to take those off now. As you can see, there's plenty of dents around it because since I'm replacing the oil pan, I don't care if I dent it. So no rubber mallets used here. I used my sludge. Sweet. Anyways, so it's pretty well loose. Got it most of the way. Hanging up on one little bit. Hey. Alright. She's off. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Alrighty. Going up. Gonna try and line it up. Alright, so that just kicked my butt. It's just hanging up there right now. I got a nut and a bolt in there. But, man, it is so much harder to not use any RTV. Honestly, aluminum with the rubber, it should seal just fine. There actually, from what I could tell, wasn't any RTV on the original. And it was just such a pain to keep it lined up. You know, whatever. That's what happens when you vacuum seal a frickin' rubber gasket. Goes flat. Anyways, so it's up there. Now I just gotta put all the bolts in there. So I'm gonna speed it up for that. Alright. Let's have fun.